Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 5/7/2022 and the time is 9 p.m. Today we had a good move in the morning, but everything was collapsed after 12:05 timing, and our confidential timing was 11:45 to. I'll show that in the WhatsApp, but yesterday I clearly mentioned there are a lot of resistance levels on the top, and that's why I clearly mentioned in my PPT and I've mentioned in the video also saying that even though there are bullish numbers, bullish target, but I kept everything in red. And I mentioned that because there are a lot of resistance on the top for tomorrow. So try to be very careful. And the last target for my PPT is 16,016, and today market went up to 16,025. It went up by another 10 points extra, and our 907 number was target was 16,020, and that is where it topped out, but timing also worked very well. We made a mistake today. We sold everything at the top, but we didn't initiate the sell position, and when it came down by 70-80 points and we initiated a buy based on number, and a 33 point stop loss got hit. So after that we didn't do anything, and we have nil position now, but we exited everything at the top because we are holding 33,200 monthly put, which we sold at 900 rupees. Today we exited exactly at the low. All that is we have done, but we have not sold at the top. Initiated the sell, but anyway, mistakes may happen sometimes, so we need to take it. But anyway, it's a good learning today. But our fortune signals literally rocked today. Rocked today means on the dot, on the dot. Even our numbers were on the top, as well as our timings was predominant today. Let's see how it goes for tomorrow. But as of now, till Bank Nifty and Nifty is holding yesterday's low, which is fourth low. Fourth is our trend change date. If it goes below and close below fourth trend change date low, then the problem will start. And as I already mentioned, about 21st to June, Nifty will give 200 points, 250 points, and it has given today. And Bank Nifty will give 750 points, and it has given today. So that target was achieved. Now we need to see whether the fourth, high and low is the key now. Fourth high is already given 150 points, more or less 175 points Nifty, and Bank Nifty is also given roughly around 400 points because it was a gap up today. And from there it went up to the high also. And Bank Nifty clearly filled the gap, clearly. And if you go back and watch my weekly forecast video, I've clearly mentioned where the resistance was with the thing also. Exactly, it reversed in the pinpoint level, and that is why in the morning itself we decided we want to exit everything. So we exited in the morning all the put position which we sold 3 days back. We got enough profits on that, and some people carried Nifty futures position yesterday, and that also they squared off in the morning, but we didn't initiate the short to capture the fall. That's our mistake. But fortune signals showed that way, but we missed it anyway. Too many things can do all that. So now let's go to PPT. So this was my PPT. So I've clearly mentioned 5th of July, even though it is bullish above this number, but I've given all in red. So I clearly mentioned yesterday, all these are all resistance level. You need to be very, very careful. So it opened here, we sold everything here. It went to this level, 34,213 was our level. The 211 was our level. So we exited Bank Nifty position completely in the morning. And Nifty, exactly, it went up because it was open, it was a gap up open. So it opened above 15,876. And from here, it went to my last target, which is 16,016. Here also, even on the bull side, I clearly mentioned these are all the reversal zones. And I gave a sell call also at 15,981, sell with the stop loss of 16,038. I don't know how many people did, but I didn't do. It came down. We bought a little quantity, but the stop loss was triggered 33 points. But we are able to forecast this, reversal points very clearly, and it is there in my weekly numbers also. here. So it went up by 10 points extra. That's all. And again, it went up to this level, but not this level. I thought, the reversal will happen based on weekly. Based on weekly, the reversal will happen here. But it went to somewhere around 34,630, so the 34,360, and from there it reversed. So, but the clear idea was given yesterday itself. Even on the bull side, these are all the resistance. So there is no question of going back, no going higher side. So that's what I clearly mentioned in my yesterday's video. You can go back and check. So let's go to the WhatsApp. Let's see what all we decide or discuss today. Then I will come to. Okay, so this is the first morning message, a 907 number. Buy above this number, and the target is, the third target is 6020, and it went and touched this level, came down, and this was our stop loss. Once it hits the third target, our stop loss is the first target. It came and hit the first target, and stop loss got triggered. So we made roughly around 24 points. Again, the sell got triggered, and it came down exactly up to this level. So 3 targets was done on the sell side. Okay, so this is first thing. And second thing, immediate message at 922, I exited Bank Nifty fully. So which we are holding for the last 2 days. I exited completely for me as well as for my clients. We'll say, again, in case if it goes up and sustain above this, close above this, then we will buy, but unable to sustain this level, and then it came down badly. And the morning itself clearly given at 9:26 a.m. I clearly given confluence timing. Confluence timing means it does wonders. It was a major, because 3 timings, if it combines in one timing, it's called confluential timings, which is very, very powerful. So more or less the top made here only. And we predicted this time at 9:26 a.m. And the second confluential time is this also I clearly given at 9:39 a.m. The second confluence timing is 2:15 to 2:20. 2:15 to 2:20. And from there, even exactly Coromandel fertilizer close to below the yesterday's 1 hour high. You can go back and check my video what I talked about Coromandel. And the last number based on 1 hour candle magic, the number should be held as 949. Today it exactly closed at 949. Exactly ditto. And from there, the first timing worked very well, and the second timing was literally rocked. This was the second timing, literally rocked. This timing was literally rocked. And one second. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. So at 3:39, when I worked out my numbers, this is what I said. Nifty futures, 4 numbers converged. Always when 2 numbers converge itself, we are going to see a mega move tomorrow. And now, when I worked out after the market, 4 numbers got converged. I will show you everything in the PPT. 4 numbers got converged. Then I said, and within the 12 points, that 4 number got converged. Within the 12 points, okay? So it means tomorrow it's going to be a mega move. Maybe on the upside or maybe on the downside. Anything below 15,764, it is weak. Anything above 15,805 is bullish. Only these 2 numbers. Below 15,764, it is extremely weak. Above 15,805, it is extremely powerful. So these are the 2 numbers. In between, there are more than 6 numbers which converged within 12 points. And 4 numbers converge within very, very closest to point. It means when numbers are converging together. So you can call it as when EMA are converging together, you will see some burst. Same thing in number wise also. When numbers converge together, it's going to be an explosion. And this is what I'm not talking now. Every time, whenever the Nifty numbers converge, many times, I've said in my PPT, it means it is going to give a miracle move tomorrow. Let's see whether it is going to be an upper side or lower side. Based on Nifty closing, because Nifty today it closed below 1 number magic again, 15,805. So till it is below 15,805, it is bearish only. So in case if it crosses above 15,805, possibility of 250 points move on the upside. If it is below 15,764, it is 100% bearish. Okay. So I've told my clients that today my planning was right, my execution was wrong. We sold everything at the top, And I gave the sell also only for the short sellers to go short uh, uh, with very small stop loss. I said, go short here. Okay, only for bears. Sell only below 5 minutes closing basis, below 15,981. Stop loss 1630. And I gave this instruction at 11:35, and it broke this number 15,981 around 12:30. And from there, it was a one side big move on the downside, and it came and closed below where it opened, which is a very ugly sign as of now. But it is holding the bullish number, monthly bullish number. Let's see how it opens tomorrow. So we'll go and see all the numbers, uh, uh, in the chart, and all these timings I'm giving in my Telegram group also. So you can come and join the Telegram and see how these timings are working. So now let's go to chart. So this was our 907 number, buy number and sell number, 15,930, 15,898. Exactly the low was the sell number in the morning. So from there it went up, and the high was, this was my target, 16016, and it went by another 10 points. This was the first confidential timing which we predicted in the morning at 9:30 itself. More or less the top was done here, and the second timing was here. And see the miracle of the third timing. Exactly, it pinpoint the low, and we predicted this timing in the morning itself. From there, it started moving up, but unable to close above this candle high. So from there again, it closed and closed extremely at the low. And once it came below this 15,898, this candle, 5 minutes candle, closed below that, again went up, gave the sell opportunity here, and came down fully. Right? So this is how the timings work today. And if you go to our fortune signals, see the magic. Okay, so this was the intraday. This is on 1 minute. We always follow 1 minute in intraday. For our system, 1 minute is more than enough. So this was the first candle. This candle closed above this candle. So we need to buy here. Went up, exactly came and touched the blue here. Again went up, exactly came and touched the blue here. See how beautifully it respects this blue. Came down, touched here, went up. Came down, touched here, went up. Then it gave a sell. Then this candle became genuine because it closed below this candle. So once it is genuine, you need to wait for the opportunity to pull back towards the blue. So it went and touched the blue here, and from there it was a super fall. So there is no green color candle after that. See how beautiful it is. Again it came down here, went full back exactly at the blue, again reversed. See how beautifully in 1 minute timing we are able to capture with the dynamic resistance and support level. See, these are all dynamic support level. Exactly when it touches the blue, you buy with a small stop loss of 10 points or 15 points, whatever, or even 33 points. But the pullback was superb. See, from here, from 15,982, it went roughly around 15,000, 16,024. And the sell came here at 15,981. Exactly, wait for the blue. Wait for the blue. The instruction will be given in the WhatsApp group. Wait for the blue. Once it comes and touches the blue, sell. Stop loss is hardly 30 points. And from there it has given. And the emotion, there is no need to have any emotion because it is all red candle. No need to panic. Even here also, when it had a pullback here of roughly around, let's say 15,784 to 15,800, no need to panic because it is still in red and it will have a resistance on the blue. Same thing happened in Bank Nifty also. Beautiful fall today. Beautiful fall today. So see, even if Bank Nifty here, it came down, exactly touched the blue here. See the bounce. Exactly came and touched the blue and see the bounce. Once it gave a sell, this was the genuine sell, and it has not went and touched the blue, but the fall was beautiful in 1 minute. Right. So this is how we capture the trending move on fortune signal. So now let's go to the charts. Okay, so this is 1 day. This was the median line. You can go back and watch my weekly forecast video, what I said about median line. It went above, but unable to close above the median line again. So it closed below the median line again. So it is again bearish. So this was the pink line. This was the astrological phenomena date. So this is also very, very crucial. So you can mark today's high and low also. I've already marked it. So here also this was an astrological phenomenon day when pink color line is there. So watch out. So this is very important date. You can mark the high and low of this thing. And again, the next date is coming on 31st August. 31st August is again the Astro Day, so you can definitely watch out for that. So till it is below the cloud and lagging span is, it is not able to go above. See how beautifully it went. Again, it started coming down. So now, based on pitchfork, it is not able to close above the median line. This is Bank Nifty. Coming to Nifty, it went up, exactly got resisted at Ichimoku baseline. This was the baseline. Okay. And from there it came down. But here there is a pitchfork line as well as the bigger time frame pitchfork green line is here. So break below this line, which is roughly around 15,757. I think the most probability is it will come and touch this level, which is 15,358. Because when it breaks this green color line, it will come and touch the blue color line. And more or less, this was a big move, roughly around 400 points. I don't know whether it's going to come tomorrow, but normally when it closes below it, it has to, it will try to come and touch this level till it doesn't breach this pitchfork median line, because it's a bigger time frame. This green color line, this blue color line, this median line, these are all big pitchfork worked with the past data. So once it breaks, till it is not closing above this pitchfork median line, it will try to come and touch this blue and break below this, close below this blue. It's a problem that we will talk later. But as of now, our bullish number is still intact. Let's go to PPT. So close below. Okay, so close below this level, it will be ugly. So till it holds these levels, we don't need to worry about Bank Nifty and Nifty as of now. Bank Nifty and Nifty as of now. And break below this level again on weekly basis, we don't need to worry. These are all act as a support. The only problem today is Nifty futures again closed below the one number magic. So now what is that convergence? See the convergence here. One number, two number, three number, and there is one more number. I don't want to add more and more number here. See, when three major numbers, this is weekly, this is daily, this is positional. See, if three numbers are converging within 12 points, it means you are going to see an explosion tomorrow. It may be on the upside or it may be on the downside. So what is the level we need to watch out for? Break below this number, it is bearish. As of now, it is holding. So this, if you compare these three numbers, this is the least number, 15,764. So below this number, it is bearish, stop loss 15,805. And above this number, it is bullish, stop loss 15,764. That's all. This is a game plan for tomorrow. And already the intraday deciding number has already become red. And if you go to Bank Nifty, all the four are still in bullish. And more or less, these two numbers are close to very near to where Nifty futures close to. So this was the number we need to watch out for today. And today it exactly came and touched this level and bounced. And even if you go to Nifty future, it came exactly to this number on the dot. From there it bounced. On the dot, from there it bounced, but unable to close above this level today. So let's see how the market opens tomorrow. So, and tomorrow the numbers are here. One second, sorry. Where is it? Yeah. So the tomorrow numbers are here. You can have a snapshot and then you can use it. I think I have not changed it. Maybe I'll try to change it. I've already updated it somewhere, so I need to come and paste it here. Okay, no problem. So tomorrow the counter is PETRONET for TCD. So you can simply use these numbers for tomorrow. Above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. Okay, so below this number is bearish, below this number is bearish, and above this number is bullish, or you can take above this number is bullish. Till the time there is no buy in Bank Nifty, and this is your cutoff number for Nifty future. Once I update this buy and sell number, I will post it in the group, right? So that's all, and let's see. So all this is fine till it is holding 21st high. There is no problem. Close below 25th high, it will be a 21st low. It will be a problem. And today it was an astro date, so you can mark. Today's high and low also break below today's low will be 250 points on the downside in Nifty and 750 points on the bank Nifty on the downside. Break above today's high, 250 points on the higher side, and 750 points on the downside. The only itch is Nifty future close to below 15,805, and more than 4 numbers are converged within 12 points. That's a criteria today. Okay, so this was the number which I mentioned yesterday. Exactly, it closed at this number, 949. Okay, this week, made it based on the past data of 1 hour magic candle, and once it closes below this number, it is bearish. It was a high volatile counter, so try to be a little cautious on that. Let's see how the market works for tomorrow. Catch you at 9:07. The bulls party is looking, it's over. I was expecting 1,000 points pull back from 15,183. That was our weekly forecast 2 weeks back, and it almost done roughly around 800 points from the down and 200 points miss. And Bank Nifty is almost on more than 1,500 points. Let's see. Still, it is intact. Why? Because 21st June high is held. If it closes below 21st high tomorrow, below that, then we need to be a little careful, as well as our weekly numbers, monthly numbers and weekly numbers are the prime. Leave all the indicators, leave all the chart and other stuff. Numbers do wonders. So as of now, it is holding the bullish number. If it closes below bearish number, then July month also will go for a toss. See you tomorrow at 9:07. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Again, saying 15,183 will be broken very soon. This I am telling for many time, but as of now, this was a pullback rally. So as a trader, we need to enjoy the pullback rally. That's all. So all, if you buy one, you'll get 3 free. Will happen in the month of October 2022. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.